Hey kiddos, today we've got an exciting adventure in the jungle with our friends Munki and Trunk. It all started on a bright, sunny morning when Mama Ostrich waddled up to them with a special request. "Could you please babysit my eggs today?" she asked anxiously. "I need to go for a walk and I need someone to watch over them." Munki, always eager for an easy job, grinned widely. "No problem. Babysitting eggs? That sounds like the easiest job ever." Trunk, always ready to help, nodded. "It'll be a piece of cake." But as soon as Mama Ostrich hurried off, something surprising happened. At first, everything was calm. Munki sat on a rock, swinging his legs, and Trunk gathered leaves with his long nose. The eggs were perfectly still in the warm sand. "This is easy," Munki said, rolling his eyes. "I could do this all day." Suddenly, one of the eggs wobbled and began to roll away. "Hey!" Munki shouted, jumping up. "What's going on?" The egg sped up, rolling faster and faster down the hill. Munki and Trunk chased after it, but the egg was surprisingly quick, bouncing over rocks and dodging trees. "Stop that egg!" Trunk yelled, but the egg had already disappeared into the dense jungle. The chase was on. Munki and Trunk weaved through trees and dodged vines. Munki was fast, but Trunk's long legs helped him catch up quickly. But the egg had a head start. The egg suddenly veered off the path, leading them through bushes. Trunk swung on a vine, but Munki tripped into a puddle of mud. "Ugh! These eggs are impossible!" Munki groaned, covered in mud. But the chase wasn't over. Another egg rolled past, heading toward a steep cliff. Munki and Trunk looked at each other, eyes wide. "Not again!" Munki yelled. They raced after it, and Trunk grabbed the egg mid-air as it jumped off the cliff, saving it just in time. "Phew! That was close," Trunk said, setting the egg down, but the eggs weren't done yet. Another one started to roll away in the opposite direction. "Okay, this is getting ridiculous," Munki said, out of breath. The chase continued through streams, up trees and across bridges. The eggs bounced everywhere and Munki and Trunk were exhausted. Finally, they found all the eggs piled up in a clearing, perfectly still. "How did they get here?" Trunk asked, panting. "I have no idea," Munki said, scratching his head, "but I think they're ready for a nap." Just then, Mama Ostrich appeared, smiling. "Thank you for watching over them," she said warmly. "I see you've had quite the adventure." Munki and Trunk exchanged tired glances. "Your egg's clever," Munki said. Mama Ostrich chuckled. "Oh, they like to have a little fun. But they'll sleep now, and you can rest too." As the eggs dozed off, Munki sighed in relief. "Next time, I'll stick to babysitting something less lively." Trunk nodded. "Maybe a nice, quiet rock to watch over." They laughed, knowing they'd never forget the great egg chase of the jungle. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more fun adventures. Bye.